team, I hope you're ready for the upcoming core inner thigh burn. We take it down to the mat, so make sure you have something comfy, something soft underneath you. And then let's start on your forearm. I start with the left, so let's come down. Elbow located directly under the shoulder joint, and then you start to lift out of your shoulder. So the lower leg is extending into the corner. The upper foot is standing on, or is located on the mat like this, knee pointing facing up. Press yourself out, engage your core, and we start to lift the extended leg up, down. You can also flex the foot fine. Maybe to check if your leg is really turned out. So toes are facing to the side, not up to the ceiling. So get the wrapping sensation, and if you want more, double time. Go out and in, up and down. Adductors, inner thighs are working. So that's the first round here. Yes. So we had lots of thigh, glute work in the standing part of our full body bar class. Here we focus on the inner thighs. To get the core a little bit more to work, I have an option for you. Slow it down. So we lift the lower leg. Then I bring the upper leg to the lower leg. Bring my foot down and release. I love to bring my arm up so I have a bit more balance. Yes. So I'm here on my left butt cheek. So all the way up. Bring the legs together, zip the belly button in and up. Stay on your forearm. And if that's nothing for you, just keep going here in the inner thigh lift. Yes, choose your option. Maybe speed it up. Lift, extend, step, and lower. Chest nice, wide and open. Collarbones are floating to the side. Breathe. Ooh. Feel my inner thighs. Feel my core. 4 more rounds. 3, 2. Okay, team, keep both legs up. Hold it and lower, lift the lower leg. Down and up. Ooh. Go, go, down, up, down, up. You can also stay here, okay? Don't worry about it. Find your variation. Think about quality, push the floor away. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, and then finish your last round. Bring the upper foot back onto the ground. Come on both butt cheeks and roll down on your back. Now toes are looking up. You still have that one leg extended, fingertips behind your ears. Let's go for a straight crunch. Exhale, come up, lift head and shoulder blades. And inhale, lower down slowly with control. Come up for 2. Let's go. Up, and down, down. When you lift, try not only to lift the head, but also the shoulder blades. Elbows nice and wide. We're working for the straight abdominal muscles here. Let's add the straight leg. We lift the straight leg up and down. Up and down. Make sure to keep that space between chin and chest, preferably 4 fist wide. And then let's add a diagonal twist. So we twist towards that extended leg and bring it back down. Shoulder towards the diagonal hip. Four more. Last one. And then bring both feet onto the ground. We're gonna crunch it up, bring the arms forwards into the first belly position. Hold it high as you lift the arms. Bring the arms forwards and down. All right, that's the next exercise. Follow me, let's go. Lift, bring the arms up, bring the arms down, and lower shoulder blades and hat. So this is option number 1. Maybe stay here, maybe roll all the way up. We are pointing the feet, lift the arms, stay rounded, and roll down. Option number 2, stretch the right leg, bend, roll down. Exhale, roll up, point the feet, left leg lock. Option number, I forgot which number, 3 or 4, both legs. Work with the breath. Exhale up. Inhale, lean and long legs. Roll vertebra at a time. Give me 4 more. And maybe the roll up is not working for you. Yeah, then let's stay in the crunch. It's not less intense, it's also quite challenging here. 2 more. Last one. And then stay upright, hold it, and relax for a moment. We switch to the other side. So come down onto the other forearm. Extend the lower leg into the corner. The upper foot is grounded. Elbow under your shoulder. Press out. And then let's start to lift the lower leg. Slowly at the beginning. And when you lose the control, when you move double time, keep that pace. Maybe double time. Don't round your back. Your torso is stable. You breathe. Toes are facing to the side, not upwards. Okay, this is hip flexor work. That's not what we want to do. We want to work on those inner thighs. Don't drop the leg. Keep it lifted all the time. So maybe this is for you. Maybe you want to add on. Slow it down, slow it down. Lift the leg. Extend the upper leg as well. Bring the upper foot down. Release. Up. Stay proud and open in your chest. Ready? Double time. Go. Up. Stretch. Down. Release. Stay safe in your shoulder. Keep pressing out. 4 more rounds. Stay on one butt cheek. Ready for the challenge. Try to keep both legs up. Lower and lift the lower leg. Down and up. Stay lifted with that upper body. Use your core. Maybe come back here. But don't collapse. Yes? Ready? Go. The last 8 rounds. 8.
I like my green. I like my money. I like my.
Last 4.
I like my green.
2 more. 1 more. And relax. Woo. Keep the lower leg extended. Come onto both butt cheeks. Roll it down. Fingertips behind your ears. Engage your core. Elbows nice and wide. We crunch up for 2. Let's go. Up. Up. Flow with your breath. Exhale, come up. Inhale, lower down. Last 2. Ready? We're gonna add the leg. Lift the extended leg up.
I like my green. I like my money. I like my money.
Keep the shoulders down. Prepare for the twist. Towards the extended leg. Let's go. Twist. And down. The shoulder towards the opposite hip. Keep the space between chin and chest, preferably a fist wide. Great, give me 4 more rounds. Make the obliques to work. Last one. Bring both feet down. Crunch it up. Exhale, hold it high. Lift the arms up. Bring the arms forward and lay down. Exhale, lift. Inhale, arms up. Maybe that's the option for you. Close the legs if you want more. Point the feet, roll up. Lift the arms. Lower. Roll down. Maybe you want more. Point the feet. Right leg long. Bend it. And roll down, vertebra at a time. Don't forget to switch the leg. One more. Both legs up. Give me 4 more rounds. Find your balance, deep core control. Abs are on fire. Last 2 and your option, come on. Almost there. Now it's not worth it to stop. Last one. Yes, you got this. Roll down and stay on your back. Relax. Swing your knees. Breathe deeply. Be proud of yourself. Good job.